Hey parents, looking for the ultimate guide to natural baby recipes? You've come to the right place. From 6 months to 2 years, I've got you covered with safe, nutrient-rich recipes. First up, BM oatmeal cereal. Cook 2 tablespoons of rolled oats in water. Blend with a quarter cup of breast milk. Add a dash of cinnamon for flavor. This iron-rich recipe is gentle on digestion. Next, sweet potato and BM puree. Steam 1 sweet potato. Blend with 2 to 3 tablespoons of breast milk, packed with vitamin A and fiber. For a quick snack, try avocado BM mash. Mash 1 ripe avocado with 1 to 2 tablespoons of breast milk. Healthy fats for brain development. Need an energy boost? BM banana rice pudding. Mix a quarter cup of cooked rice with a mashed banana and 3 tablespoons of breast milk. Warm it gently and you're good to go. Carrot apple BM puree. Blend 1 steamed carrot and 1 steamed apple with 2 tablespoons of breast milk. Loaded with beta-carotene and vitamin C. Lastly, BM chicken and veggie puree. Blend a quarter cup of cooked chicken with half a cup of steamed veggies and 3 tablespoons of breast milk. Perfect for protein and veggie introduction. Use silicone ice cube trays or small jars for portioning. Label with the date and recipe name. Thaw overnight in the fridge or warm in a bowl of hot water. Discard leftovers after 48 hours. Always introduce 1 ingredient at a time to monitor allergies. You've got this, parents. Happy cooking. Like and subscribe for more wholesome baby recipes. Tell us what else we can help you with in the comments.